Hello guys, good afternoon. This afternoon, I'm gonna troubleshoot and repair this Dewalt's inverter welding machine. It was dead set or no power before. The story of this, the owner, he accidentally shorted the negative positive output of the welding machine. That's why it became dead set. Now, upon checking and troubleshooting, I have found out that the switching regulator or the power supply was shorted. That's why it was unable to display here at the display control. Now, I replaced the switching regulator, which is LNK 278. Now, I'm going to switch on the breaker. Let's see if it's gonna work. This is the breaker, guys. Let's see if it's gonna work. Now, it's working. And also, there is an output of the negative positive of the welding. Okay guys, ito adjust the amperage. So, it's changing the amperage. So, we have to be tested this for a long time so that we can assure that it will work properly. Okay guys, this welding machine is one of my recognized here, our neighbor. He pleaded me if possible to repair this one. Guys, we'll wait at least 5 minutes so that we can assure that it's gonna be working properly. This is the output, guys. 37 volt DC. Like this. This is the Dewalt inverter welding machine. Sorry guys for my place is crowded because I have many works. So he can use this at his work if something to be welded. Still 48. It fluctuated sometimes 47, 48, but a little bit only, little voltage only that being fluctuated. So guys, thank you very much for enduring the watching my videos. And also thank you very much for your support to my YouTube channel. I wholeheartedly appreciated your support. Thank you guys. See you next time in other uploaded videos. Okay, bye.